Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best deals on Temu. So in order for you to find the best deals on Temu, is just simply go ahead and going over here to the lightning deals. So guys, this is a limited time offer, and as you can see from here, you will have multiple offers that are very low prices. So now for the second option that you have is just simply going over here to the best sellers. Guys, click on here best sellers, and from here you should be able to see here some great deals that you can choose from as well. So now for the next one is just going to the homepage of Temu again, and from here just simply scroll down, and from here as you can see you will have multiple options. You can go for fast delivery, where you will have here multiple deals that are on your local warehouses, and you can go for a price drop and save up to $50 over here, which you can see here multiple categories as well that has a $50 price drop. And you can also go for clearance, which you can go for up to 50% off. So there are a lot of best deals over here on Temu. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.